Hello, and thank you for joining me at the beautiful Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge here outside of Titusville, Florida. I'm certified Tai Chi for Health instructor Lea Williamson of Beachside QiGong.com, and it's a pleasure to get to practice with you today. So we're going to be going over Tai Chi for Arthritis Part 1 and 2 with the breath work, assuming that you already know these forms. So, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beachside QiGong, and maybe even like my Facebook page where I put up other stuff, Beachside QiGong and Tai Chi. Let's get started. Hopefully you'll get to hear some of the coolie loaches in the background, the little birds tweeting. It's so beautiful and quiet today. If you haven't warmed up at all, make sure you do that first. So I'm going to do the form with my back to you and tell you the breathing as we go along. But first, get settled into good posture. Ideally, we're in a monkey stance, knees are bent, we're tall but relaxed. Teeth together, tip of tongue on roof of mouth, breathing through the nose. Once we've settled into stillness, I'm going to turn to the side to begin commencement, and then we'll turn around. So we begin Tai Chi for Arthritis, parts 1 and 2, with an inhale. We breathe out as we sink the weight to the right foot. We inhale as we take our first soft step with left foot, and then we exhale as we extend our hands, adjusting right foot to shoulder width. Once we're back to open and close after that exhale, we breathe in, of course, and then breathe out. Inhale as we turn to the right corner and step out, exhale into the little push for single width. Breathe in as we open, turning the waist to the left corner. Breathe out as we gather up the right side of the body. Breathe in as we step out for a first, wave hands like clouds. Exhale while waving to the right corner. Breathing in, we step in just a little bit, changing hands. Breathing out, we wave over to the left. Breathing in, we take step 2 to the right side of our space, floating down, exhaling, gradually shifting the weight to the right foot. Breathe in and position the left foot just to shoulder width. Breathe out to the left again, trying to stay relaxed as we inhale for one more, step out to the right, and exhale as we do our third, wave hands like clouds to the right. We breathe in as the left foot comes to shoulder width. We breathe out as we wave to the left and return to center, palm facing palm, for open and then close where we exhale. We inhale as we shift and turn to the left. Stepping out, we exhale and push lightly, not extending far. We inhale by turning the waist, opening the right hand to the corner. We exhale as we gather in the left side of the body. We inhale for our first, step out towards the left wall, left hand up as we exhale and wave hands like clouds to the left. Breathe in as right foot comes to shoulder width. Breathe out as you wave to the right, softening the shoulders. Breathe in for the second left side step. Exhale, gradually bringing the weight to the left foot. Breathe in and position right foot at shoulder width only, not too close. Breathe out, wave back to the right, feeling at ease. We inhale as we take our third left side step. We exhale as we wave over to the left. Breathing in, the right foot floats down. Breathing out, it takes our weight as we complete the cycle of 3 before returning back to center for another breath in as we open, breath out as we close. We inhale, drawing in the right toes. We exhale, standing on the right foot. We inhale as we step out in the left bow stance. We exhale as we brush knees. We inhale, stepping back. Exhale, transfer weight to right foot. Breathe in, turn left palm down. Breathe out, shift weight and parry. Inhale, floating right foot down, flipping hands. Exhale, shift weight and parry. Breathe in as we step out, preparing to punch. And then exhale as we execute that punch. Breathe in as we step back and retreat. Breathe out as we push with the weight on the left foot. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left foot forward. Back to center. We open on the next breath in. We close on the exhale. We inhale, bringing in empty left toes. Exhale and stand on left foot, looking to the right. We inhale, stepping into our bow stance. We exhale into the brush knee. We inhale as we step back with the left foot. We exhale as we settle weight onto it. We inhale, turning right palm down. We exhale as we shift weight and parry. Inhale, flipping hands, stepping with left foot. Exhale, parry right hand forward. Inhale, preparing to punch as we step with right foot. Exhale, punching over the right forearm with a half step. Inhale, open hands, shift weight back. Exhale, push. Inhale, left foot forward. Exhale, right foot forward. Breathe in as we open. Breathe out as we close. Part 2. Inhale, bring in left toes. Exhale, stand on left foot. Inhale, step lightly in right bow stance. Exhale, brush knee. Inhale as we move hand up. Exhale as we lower. Inhale as we draw hand in and up. Exhale as we step into the chop. Inhale, we step back and circle back to center, and then square up, exhale, and push. Inhale, adjust left foot. Exhale, adjust right foot. And of course, open and close. We inhale as we step back. We exhale into our single whip push to the left. We inhale as we open. We exhale, turning in the right elbow. Inhale, stand on right foot. Exhale, just under elbow. Breathe in as we come into the cat stance. Breathe out as we step and execute brush knee or repulse monkey. Inhale, adjust right foot. Exhale, draw in left toes. Inhale, stand on left foot. Exhale, step with right foot and brush knee. Breathe in to bring in right hand and right toes. Breathe out to stand on it. Breathe in to step. Breathe out for final repulse monkey. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, drawing in left foot and hands. Breathe out as we step into the chop. Breathe in as we step back and circle lightly from the waist. And then exhale with a light push. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left foot forward. And of course, back to center for open and close. Breathing in, empty and turn in right toes. Breathe out, stand on right foot. Inhale, step into left bow stance. Exhale, brush knee. Inhale, hand up, foot back. Exhale, lower weight and hand. Inhale, draw in hand and foot rising. Exhale, step into the chop. Breathe in as we sit back and circle back to center. And then exhale, push. Inhale, adjust right foot. Exhale, adjust left foot. Back to center, of course, we open and close, breathing out. Inhale, right foot steps back. Exhale, shift weight and push to the right corner. Inhale as we turn the waist and open. Exhale, swing up left elbow and left foot. Inhale, stand on left foot. Exhale, step into fist under elbow. Inhale, coming into a right cat stance, left hand up. Exhale, step to the back as we begin repulse the monkey. Breathe in, put left foot down. Bring in right hand and foot. Breathe out, stand on left foot. Right foot. Exhale into the front. Breathe in, standing on right foot. Breathe out, draw in left foot. Breathe in, step into right bow stance. Breathe out for the final repulse monkey. Inhale, raise right hand and step back. Exhale, lower. Inhale, bring in hand and foot. Rise, exhale into the chop. Inhale, step back, raise toes, circle from the waist. Back to center, we exhale and push. Bringing left foot in, we breathe in. Adjusting right foot to corner, we breathe out. Of course, open and close. On the closing from the front, we inhale, extending arms, and ideally we finish on the exhale. Relax, let go of any tension. Be at ease for a few slow, relaxed, normal breaths. And then when you're ready, move around any way you want. I hope that this was a useful lesson for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll get to practice with you again soon.